My name is Mohammad Karim from 7th class. I am here to read English. First chapter A reading. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other. One day, the Country Mouse got this letter from the cousin. Kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town. 11 March 2012. Dear cousin, I have been ill with cousin and my doctor feel I need a holiday. He he has advised to me spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give a and ill reply with warm regards. Your affectionately town mouse. 2. Country mouse. The mousehold mouse town. Receiving the invitation from the country's mouse. The town mouse packed his bag and coached the next train to countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the country mouse began to feel hot in the train. I wish there was an air-conditioned cloth. I say to himself, I feel very uncomfortable here. Thank you.
I am here for continuation first chapter a reading. Hopeful there was nothing to he could do about if so he jeered to himself when the train catched it so into the cousin the country mouse was rated watch at the station. How cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was defeated. Trailed, if I trade hot and treat. I hope you have something ice cold drink for me to drink at house. Will I have some water? Said the country mouse. But I can look about for some what country water if you like con, con, coconut water. Ask the town mouse if houses. Do you have any orange juice or lemon juice? I am often not, reply his cousin. But I found I a very in need process for of road today, and a tended bit of surgery. Can I am sir, you will enjoy that root sugar cane that the town mouse explained. But I don't eat food like that. The country mouse said, this is when we eat in the country, so I am faked. You true have to eat this. Try it. It not bad. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He is in Del that that a that the at the root and the sugar cane, and then said he want to sleep. He want to sleep. The country mouse showed to a cousin. He in the mouse hot can the and then said he was to sleep. He the country mouse hot and said hot and said there you are and you can sleep there. Thank you.
My name is Zoha Khatun. I am from 7th class. I am here for continuation of first chapter A reading. On the ground asked the town mouse, "Do I have to sleep on the ground?" "Yes, this is how we sleep in the country." His cousin answered, as the town mouse laid down on the hard, cold ground. He suddenly thought of something. "Cousin," he called out. "Yes, what is it?" The country mouse asked. "This what is it quite so here? Where are all cars and lorries? Where are all the radios and televisions? Where are all lights?" "This is how in the country." This is her cousin reply. "It always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today." My father asked, "That our country is the quietest amount all the village in our district." "Oh, it is it? Thank you, cousin," he said. "But I think it will catch the next train to the home." He I have suddenly remembered that I have forget something. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. "Here is a letter. Mouse Hole, Mouse Town, Mouse Country 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, Cousin Mouse. To Town Mouse, Kitchen Cupboard, Mouse Town. Thank you."
Good morning. My name is Nasha Fatima. I am from 7th class. I am here for continuously first chapter A reading. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was a hurry, he sent a telegram to to the country mouse. Here is this telegram. A few later days, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by noises and the lights. Why are the lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. "This is town," his cousin replied. "Here there are lights even in the middle of the day." "And what is this dreadful noises that never stop?" asked the country mouse. "That is the traffic," the, the town mouse replied. "That is noise made by buses, lorries, cars, and aeroplanes." But the country mouse did not like it at all. "All these noises has made by headache," he said. "Could I have some water of to drink?" "Why only water?" said the town mouse. "Look at what there is for you. Ice cold, lemon, orange juice. Which one do you want?" "Just some water," answered the country mouse. Some water and little bite of food." I am I have plenty of food," cousin said the town mouse proudly. "You can eat as much as you like." "Sure enough." House of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. There was bread, jam, and different kinds of fruits, slabs of piece of lovely cheese. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was a sound like a thunder, and the town mouse shouted, "Run, cousin, run!" The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the kitchen cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. "But what is it?" he asked. "Shh," whispered the town mouse. "Wait." Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Farah Begum. I am seven. My Good morning, everyone. My name is Farah Begum. I am studying in seventh class. I am here for continuation of first chapter A reading. When everything was silent, agreed. The town mouse agreed. Hold the hall. He was quietly chipped her. Come out now, cousin. He had that only if somebody opened the cupboard door. We are safely now. But there were not very long. Twins that there are war for safely when somebody opened the kitchen cupboard. The country mouse got up quietly. I want the big country. He had the say when the let of the big something a last station back the has back when the town mouse he has cupboard the town. Let the in know but we each country again. Thank you.